Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss on the fertilizer calculations by using straight and complex fertilizers. Normally in the exam we will be giving NPK's recommended dosage to calculate the fertilizers. So using these straight and complex fertilizers, how we can calculate, we can going to see in the video. This is agri-starchy. Normally in the exams, we will be given the straight fertilizers. For example, these are the commonly given straight fertilizers where urea, which consists of 46% of nitrogen, single super phosphate SSP, which consists of 16% phosphorus, muriate of potash MOP, which consists of 60% potassium, sulfate of potash SOP, which consisting of 50% of potassium. Coming to this complex fertilizers, the common fertilizers are diammonium phosphate DAP, which consists of 18% nitrogen and also 46% phosphorus, where phosphorus is the major nutrient. Potassium nitrate consists of 13% nitrogen and 46% potassium, where potassium is the major nutrient. And also in the exams we are frequently seen giving the land holding about 1 hectare or in square meters or cents or acres. So if the land holding is given in square meters or cents or acres, please to convert in the hectare for easy calculations. This coming to the fertilizer requirement formula. Fertilizer requirement equal to recommended dose by percent of nutrient content in fertilizer into 100 into area in hectares. So if here the area is in hectares. If the land holding is given in square meters, cents or acres, please do use these conversions for easy calculations. Here in the video, I am going to calculate the problem. So fertilizer calculations in two different ways. First, while giving only the straight fertilizers, and second problem is while giving both straight and the complex fertilizers, how can we calculate it? First, problem 1, which the problem is like this. Calculate the fertilizer requirement of 1 hectare paddy if the fertilizer recommendation is 100:50:50 NPK through urea, SSP and MOP. Here the land holding is 1 hectare and recommended dose is 100:50:50 NPK, and the fertilizers given here are the urea, SSP and MOP, which are the straight fertilizers. So here the calculation is simple and easy if we know the percent of nutrient content in these fertilizers. First, nitrogen requirement to urea. Urea consisting of 46% of nitrogen, and by using the formula here, fertilizer requirement formula, it is 100 is a recommended dose divided by 46 is the percent of nutrient in the fertilizer into 100 into area is 1 hectare. The answer is 217.4 kg of urea, which says that the 217.4 kg of urea can provide 100 kg of nitrogen to the 1 paddy hectare crop. Next, phosphorus requirement to SSP, where SSP consists of 16% phosphorus. By using the formula, here the recommended dose is 50 divided by 16 into 100 into 1 hectare, where the answer is 312.5 kg of SSP. It says that 312.5 kg of SSP can provide 50 kg of phosphorus to the paddy crop consisting of 1 hectare land holding based on the recommended dose given in the problem. Potassium requirement through MOP. MOP consists of 60% of potassium based on the formula here. Recommended dose is 50 divided by 60 into 100 into 1, which gives 83.3 kg of MOP, where it says that 83.3 kg of MOP can provide 50 kg of potassium to the paddy crop of 1 hectare land holding. Hence here the solution is 217.4 kg of urea, 312.5 kg of SSP and 83.3 kg of MOP is needed to supply 100:50:50 kg of NPK to 1 hectare paddy. Hence here given in the problem it is only straight fertilizers, where by knowing the nutrient percentage and the formula it is easy to calculate. Whereas if the problem is given like this, calculate the fertilizer requirement of 1 hectare paddy if the fertilizer recommendation is 100:50:50 NPK through urea, DAP and MOP. Here the problem is the same as the before problem, but here the fertilizers given are the urea, DAP and MOP, where urea and MOP are the straight fertilizers, whereas DAP is the complex fertilizer which consisting of both nitrogen and phosphorus. In this case, the calculation is like this. First, we need to calculate the major nutrient complex fertilizers, means the DAP. DAP is consisting of 46% phosphorus and 18% nitrogen. So, first we need to calculate the phosphorus requirement to DAP based on the formula. It is 50 divided by 46 into 100 into 1, which gives 108.6 kg of DAP. Means 108.6 kg of DAP provides 50 kg of phosphorus through the 1 hectare paddy crop. But this 108.6 kg of DAP also contains 18% of nitrogen. Means 100 kg of DAP supplies 18 kg nitrogen, whereas 108.6 kg of DAP supplies how many kg of nitrogen has to be calculated first, which is 18 into 108.6 divided by 100, which is 19.5 kg of nitrogen. Means this 108.6 kg of DAP which supplies phosphorus also supplies nitrogen, which is 19.5 kg. Hence, the amount of nitrogen that should be supplied through urea has to be calculated. Means here the recommended dose is 100. So this 19.5 has to be subtracted from the recommended dose. Hence, 100 minus 19.5 equal to 80.5 kg. This 80.5 kg has to be supplied through urea. Hence, nitrogen requirement through urea is 80.5 divided by 46 into 100 into 1, which gives 175 kg of urea. Potassium requirement through MOP is similarly as the straight fertilizer, 50 divided by 60 into 100 into 1, which is 83.3 kg of MOP. The solution is 175 kg of urea, 108.6 kg of DAP and 83.3 kg of MOP is needed to supply 100:50 kg of NPK to 1 hectare of paddy. In this way, we can calculate the fertilizer recommendations for both straight and as well as complex fertilizers like this. If we remember the percentage of nutrient content in fertilizer, and also if we properly calculate the land holdings given in the cents or square meters or acres into hectares, and last but not least, if we remember the formula properly and correctly. If you have any doubts or need videos on any other agriculture related topics, please do comment, like the video and subscribe the channel. Until then, this is AgriStarG.